Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to factory reset or completely reset Windows 11 to default settings. So let's get started. There could be multiple reasons why you want to completely reset Windows 11. For example, if you are facing multiple issues with your Windows 11 installation, or if you are selling out your device to someone else, then factory reset is must. By doing a factory reset of Windows 11, you will be able to wipe out all the data present on your Windows 11 installation, and then you will be able to reinstall Windows 11. To start this process, you have to simply open the settings app. Right click on the start button and select settings. In case if you are not able to log in to Windows 11 and still you want to do a factory reset, I will be also covering that in this video. Once the settings app opens, go to system, then recovery. Under recovery, you will be able to find out reset this PC under recovery options. Just click on the reset PC button. Now here you have two options to reset the PC. First option is keep my files and second option is remove everything. And in this case, since we are doing a factory reset, we need to select remove everything, which removes all the personal files, apps and settings. Since you are able to log into Windows 11, you can use this option here, remove everything, and then proceed with the next steps. But in case if you are not able to log into your Windows 11, then you need to go to advanced recovery options. And for that, I will show you the steps next. Booting into advanced recovery option is easy. You can just click on the restart now button here and then again restart now, and your PC will restart for the advanced recovery options. I have also created a detailed video guide for accessing advanced recovery options. You can check out that video on this card. Now, once the system restarts, I have this screen, choose an option. Here, I have to select troubleshoot. Then you can see that I have the reset this PC option here as well. I will select it. Now in the next screen, you have the same reset this PC and you have to choose an option like keep my files or remove everything. So we will select the remove everything option here. Then you can choose whether you want to do a cloud install or locally install. The cloud download requires the internet and local reinstall does not require internet. In this case, I will be selecting local reinstall. Next, it will be asking you whether you want to just remove the files or you want to fully clean the drive. If you are selling out the device, make sure you select the fully clean the drive option. In case if you are fixing the multiple issues only, you can select just remove my files. In this case, I will select fully clean the drive. And then acknowledge the information present in the next screen and finally hit the reset button. After this, the system will restart and start the resetting process. And this screen will go from 0% to 100%. So this may take a while to complete depending upon your system resources. So few moments later, the resetting this PC screen has reached around 100%. Now the system has restarted itself. After the restart, it would be now installing Windows 11 again, which is basically a reinstall. Now this screen will again go from 0% to 100%. And you need to make sure that the computer is turned on and plugged in. So few moments later, this screen is around 100%. After this, the system will take you to the OOBE phase where you have to configure some settings since you have fully cleaned the drive and reinstalled Windows 11. So here, similar to the clean install process, it would now ask, is this country right? You need to make the country selection. After this, select the keyboard layout choose the secondary keyboard layout. Then it would check for the latest updates. Review the licensing agreement. You can name your device here. If you rename it, the system will restart. If you skip, you can continue to the next screen. So I just renamed the system and it now restarted. Now the OOBE setup will continue. Here you can select setup for personal use or setup for work or school. You can select either of the options. Then it would ask you to sign into your Microsoft account. Just click on the sign in button. Type in your Microsoft account. Follow the security practice you are doing for this account. You may also use the password to sign in. Then it would ask you to set up a PIN. Just do that. Then it would ask you to select the privacy settings. Just accept them. Since you signed into Microsoft account, it may ask you to back up your files, apps, settings or credentials. So you can select a relevant device to restore the backup. In this case, I won't be using the backup, so I will just select setup as a new PC. Then it would ask you to customize your experience. Just do that. Select a relevant option. Then it would suggest you to download the app to sync the phone from your PC. You can scan the code and install the app, or else you can skip. Then continue with the next option. Click accept for the Microsoft Edge consent. Then you can choose whether you want to use Microsoft 365 Personal. I would just decline it. And finally, after doing all the configuration, you are back to the desktop. This means now the factory reset process for Windows 11 has completed successfully. And in case if you have any question about this method, do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.